my first 15 IPL. My guy was there with me. We finished the match. Pretty much same situation, and I feel with Jinx slightly injured, I thought it was my role and responsibility to stay till the end on a wicket which was slightly tricky, but and then wanted to put youngster into pressure situation. So for me, I think it was overall a good game for us.
Did you think it was a sort of 135, 140 kind of surface?
No, I would still say it was a 150, 160 wicket. Probably if you rotate a little bit in between and look for boundaries. Didn't thought that it was a six hitting pitch, but definitely 150, 160.
You brought spin early. Was that because you read the wicket that way, or did you think before the dew came in you wanted to get the spin overs out?
No, I think it is what we have been following through the years. Jaddu always comes after power play. Gives that momentum in the spin department. So nothing much behind the thought.
Must be great to just call on someone like Jaddu and say, "Here's the ball and do your thing."
I think to be honest, with this team, I don't really need to tell things to anyone, be it the bowling department or fielding or batting. Anywhere, I think everyone, as I said, on the toss as well, everyone is great headspace, and plus you have my guy still there, you have Fleming still there to take over things.
I know the wind was important, but someone like you who has big seasons every year in the IPL, this slightly slow start from a personal point of view, how important were those runs for you today?
I wouldn't say a slow start, because I would say in T20 there are times where you nick off one or two balls, you get one or two balls, just those kind of days, and sometimes you need a little bit of luck to get going, and I feel today it was just perfect where I could take my time little bit, something to talk for experts after the game about my strike rate, but still good to get away.
I don't think today was a strike rate kind of game anyway, Ruturaj, so don't worry about that. Well done today.
Yes, thank you.
यूट्यूबवर सर्च करा तिसरा डोळा. तिसरा डोळा चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा.